5 PDP members die in boat accident in Bayelsa state. Five members of the People's Democratic Party lost their lives on Saturday, November 1 after a boat they were riding in capsized in the Ekeremor waterways in Bayelsa state. The party members were on their way to Yenogoa from Ekeremor Local government area, where they had gone for the state PDP ward congress. According to Sahara Reporters, an ex-deputy governor of the state, Chief Peremobowei Ebebi, and 6 others who were all occupants of the boat were rescued by local divers. While 5 of the party members died, 3 of their bodies have been recovered while the search for the remaining 2 is still ongoing.